Everyone knows about Albert Einstein, but not many people know about Mileva Marić, his first wife and arguably the genius behind his success. Mileva was born in 1875 in Serbia. She excelled in maths and science from a young age, and she later became one of the first women to study physics at the prestigious Zurich Polytechnic. Then she met young Albert Einstein and they studied together and fell in love. And by the end of her classes in 1900, Mileva and Albert had similar grades, 4.7 and 4.6 respectively, except in applied physics where Mileva achieved the top mark of 5 but Albert got only 1. Mileva excelled at experimental work while Albert didn't. But at the oral exam, the professor gave 11 out of 12 to the 4 male students there but only 5 to Mileva. And only Albert ended up getting his degree. Mileva's collaboration with Albert Einstein during the university years is well documented. They submitted a first article that they worked on together, but it was signed only under Albert's name, probably because there was so much bias against women at the time. Albert then wrote the following to Mileva in March 1901. "How happy and proud I will be when the two of us together will have brought our work on relative motion to a victorious conclusion." Then Mileva got pregnant out of wedlock, but Albert wouldn't marry her. His parents opposed the marriage, arguing that Mileva was unsuitable because she had a limp and was too intellectual. He then gave birth to a girl in January 1902, but no one knows what happened to the baby as no birth or death certificates were ever found. Eventually, they did get married and have children, and Mileva ended up running the household, while Albert's career took off like a rocket. Most biographers wrote that after having spent 5 weeks to complete the article containing the basis of special relativity, Albert went to bed for 2 weeks. Mileva checked the article again and again and then mailed it. And Albert himself once said, "I need my wife, she solves for me all my mathematical problems." But then after their second son was born, Albert began an affair with his cousin. So in 1914, Mileva moved back to Zurich with her 2 sons. She and Albert got divorced, but their son suffered with mental health issues and later developed schizophrenia. He spent his life in and out of institutions, and because of these medical expenses, Mileva struggled financially all her life. We now know that she heavily contributed to Albert Einstein's works, and who knows what the world missed out on by failing to recognize the brilliance of Mileva Marić.